Managing catering and events shouldn't mean juggling paperwork, spreadsheets, and endless follow-ups. Meet BanquetFlow, your all-in-one catering and event management system. Capture every inquiry and manage your leads from one organized system. Turn leads into organized events with just a few clicks. Build and manage customized catering menus while keeping every detail organized. Keep guest details, special requests, schedules, and event information together in one place. Create and manage contracts and event documents without the paperwork headache. Generate accurate invoices and keep track of payments with ease. Stay ahead of every event with a clear schedule and organized calendar. Get the insights you need to understand your business and make smarter decisions. From the first inquiry to the final payment, BanquetFlow keeps everything connected. BanquetFlow. Manage events. Simplify catering. Grow your business.